This is Gongura Pappu, tangy flavor-packed dal from the Andhra Telangana region that uses gongura, also known as sorrel leaves, as the star of the dish. Welcome to Not Your Usual Dal, episode 5, a series where we're sharing dal recipes that are just a little different from the norm. Let's get started. First, we need about 4 tablespoons of Toor dal. Give it a good wash and pressure cook it with a pinch of turmeric for color. Next up, the gongura. The leaves are what we need, so we need to pluck them off the stems. Now that's honestly half the work done. Give the leaves a good wash and then roughly chop them. We'll also need 1 onion, finely chopped. And 3 to 4 garlic cloves, peeled and lightly crushed. Now heat a little oil in a karai. Add the onions and cook until they're soft and translucent. Then in go the gongura leaves. They wilt down really quickly into a brownish, slightly slimy consistency. Now add the cooked dal along with a splash of water to loosen the consistency a little. Mix everything together so the sliminess gets emulsified into the dal. Season with salt and add a little chilli powder. Since gongura is naturally quite sour, that bit of heat really balances the flavors. Give it another good mix and let everything simmer together for a couple of minutes. Finish with some jaggery to round everything off, then switch off the heat. Now for the tempering. Heat a little oil and add some mustard seeds and some cumin seeds. Once they start spluttering, add a pinch of Asafoetida and the crushed garlic. Let the garlic turn lightly golden and aromatic. Also add a dried red chilli. Pour the sizzling tempering over the dal and immediately cover it for a minute so all those lovely flavors get infused. Gongura Pappu with a plate of steaming hot rice and maybe a simple omelette on the side. It's one of those comforting meals that somehow never gets old. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how you liked it. And if you've been enjoying this dal series, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and ta-ta.